How to see reposts on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find all the posts you and others have reposted on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, look for the Repost tab on your profile. It looks like two curved arrows. Tap across your profile tabs to find it. At this point, tap on it to open all the posts you have reposted. In the next step, you'll see a full list of every post you've reposted. Tap on any one of them to view the original post. From here, let me show you how to see someone else's reposts. Go to their profile by searching their username. At this stage, once on their profile, tap on their profile tabs to look for their repost tab. Following this, if the repost tab is visible, tap on it to see all the posts they have reposted. Once done, keep in mind that if the repost tab isn't showing on someone's profile, it either means they haven't reposted anything yet, or they have chosen to hide their reposts from their profile. And that's it. If this guide helped you find reposts on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.